In the previous class, we have studied about DTL commands. Today, we are going to learn about DML commands, that is data manipulation language commands. The different DML commands are insert command, update command, and delete command. Insert command is used to add a new record to a table, or it creates a new record inside the table. The update command to modify the records in the table. Delete command is used to delete a record from the table or remove the record from the table. So these are the different commands which are used in DML, that is data manipulation language. The first command is insert command. The insert command is used to add new records or rows of data into a table in a database. So insert into table name, values, value 1, value 2, value 3, value n. So these values has to be opened with a round bracket and closed with a round bracket and end with a semicolon. Insert into is a keyword, values is a keyword, table name is a name that is given to the table where the data has to be inserted. Insert into student, that is student is a table name. Inside the student table, you are going to insert these values. That is, it has to be in the same columns as specified in the create column. The order should be same and the values will be inserted. For example, you are given in the create command register number, name, combination, date and fees. Here the data should be entered in the same order. The first is register number 1401, then and the name of the student, then combination PCMC, then the date, that is 07 August 99. Your first day, a date has to be specified by day, then the month and the year, and the month has to be specified with letters and the first three letters should be specified. The last column is for the fees. Then you have to close the bracket. You have opened the bracket here, that is before the register number, and you have to close the round bracket and then end with a semicolon. Once you enter, you will get one row is created. Same way you can create n rows in a table, then the data will be entered inside the table. Now you can see the update command. Update command is used to modify or update an already existing row or rows of a table. You can update a single row or you can update 2 or 3 rows also based on the condition. Now let us see the syntax for the update command. Update command and then is used with a keyword update, then the table name, set, column name is equal to value based on condition, so where condition and semicolon. The example for the update command is update, the student name is the table name, set is a keyword, column name is combination column. We are going to do some changes in this column, that is combination. Combination is equal to CEBA. Previously we are given as PCMC, now we are changing it to CEBA, where register the particular student is student's register number is 1411. Based on this condition, that is the student who is having this register number, that is 1411, the combination will be changed to CEBA. In this way your data will be updated or modified in the student table. So once you update the data in the table, that is student table, that is combination is changed to CEBA. Previously it was PCMB, now it is changed to CEBA. If you enter, you will get one row updated. So the data has been updated. The next command is delete command. The delete command is used, that is already existing row or rows in a table will be removed and you in the database there is a table, and when you want to remove a row or many rows based on some condition, you can remove that using a delete command. This is possible, that is using a syntax delete table name where condition. Based on the condition you can remove the rows. So example, delete student in a student table, who's the student who is having register number 1412. The data will be removed from that particular database, that is from the particular table, student table. This data will be removed from that table. Once the data is removed, you will get that one row is deleted. So there are three commands over here. That is, one is insert command. Insert command is used to insert rows in the table, and update command is used to modify or update the existing table, and delete command, it is used to remove the data. That is, here row wise you can remove the data from the table using a command, that is delete command. So these are the different commands which are used in DML, that is data manipulation language. So the commands which were used in DDL are create command, alter command and drop command. The commands which are used in DML are insert command, update command, delete command. So you shouldn't get confused with the commands which are there in DDL and DML. DDL commands are create command, alter command and drop command, and DML commands are insert command, update command and delete command.